In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion reading system. If you want a simple way to keep track of what you read, organize your thoughts, and remember important ideas later, this setup is a great place to start. The goal is to build one clean Notion page that works as your personal reading hub, where you can track books, store notes, save quotes, and review what you've learned over time. Start by creating a new page in Notion for your reading system. Give it a clear name so it's easy to find later. This page will act as the main dashboard for everything related to your reading, so think of it as the home base for your entire setup. Next, add a book database to this page. This database will be the central place where you list all the books you're reading. A table view usually works best because it makes everything easy to scan. But the key idea is to have one organized list where every book lives in a single system. Once the database is in place, add the main properties you'll need. Include the book title, the author, the reading status, your rating, and the date finished. These properties make your database much more useful because they let you quickly see what you're currently reading, what you've completed, and how you felt about each book. Keeping these details consistent also makes your system easier to maintain in the long run. After that, create sections for reading notes, quotes, and summaries. These sections will help you separate different kinds of information so your pages don't become messy. Notes can hold your thoughts while reading, quotes can capture exact lines you want to remember, and summaries can help you condense the main ideas into a shorter format. Now begin adding each book as a separate entry in the database. Each entry becomes its own page, which is what makes this system so practical. Instead of keeping everything in one long document, each book gets its own dedicated space. As you read, open the relevant book page and write your notes directly inside it. This is where the system becomes especially useful because you're capturing your ideas in context while the material is still fresh in your mind. You can add quick reflections, lessons, or passages that stand out to you. Finally, make time to review your notes later so you can remember the key lessons. Reading is valuable, but revisiting what you captured is what helps the ideas stick. Even a quick review can reinforce what you learned and make your reading more meaningful over time. With this setup, your Notion reading system becomes more than a tracker. It becomes a useful library of your own thinking.